Why do content creators and marketers struggle to find trending content ideas? For many, it's not just about posting videos. It's the stress of missing trends, the frustration of low engagement, and the constant pressure to stay relevant. They feel overwhelmed by the endless tasks, like researching, scripting, and editing. This leads to fewer videos, slower growth, and lost opportunities for traffic and sales. The real problem? It's not what you think. It's not just a lack of time. The real root cause is the complexity of content creation. Many creators juggle multiple tasks, but they don't have the tools to streamline the process. Common solutions like hiring freelancers or using complicated software often make things worse. They waste time and money, leaving creators feeling stuck. But there's a better way. Imagine a system that automates everything. Virofeed-ai's trend-to-video automation system finds trending topics, generates scripts, creates videos, adds captions, and prepares content for multiple platforms. Affiliate marketers like Sarah turned hours of work into minutes. She now posts consistently and grows her audience faster. Small business owners are seeing results too. They focus on engagement instead of tedious tasks. With this system, creators can produce more content, stay ahead of trends, and watch their audience grow. Imagine feeling confident, knowing you're always relevant, and connecting with your audience effortlessly. Click below to discover how we achieve consistent video content creation with Virofeed-ai's trend-to-video automation system. So, let's take a look on what this product is all about.
Hey, welcome inside Virofeed-ai. In the next few minutes, I am going to show you how this system turns trending news, posts, articles, RSS feeds, or even simple keywords into ready-to-publish, viral, high-impact YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook videos. Let's get started. So first you can go and click on Create New Project, and here you can name it, let's say, AI Tech. Or let me choose keyword and niche, AI and technology. And then if I want to add my branding, I can upload a logo here. You can select the logo position. You have two options here. You can either use a talking head video, okay, and you can select our ready-to-made avatars, or you can upload your own avatar, even your own clone face. You can do that, or you can just use a faceless video where you just use your voice. So for this, I'm going to use a AI talking head. So let's select her. She looks good and professional, and let's click on Create Project. And here, this is the most powerful section. Here we will add the sources means from where we are going to pull the articles, pull the posts to turn them into videos. You can do it manually by adding a source name here, just like TechCrunch. Add the URL feed or website, or you can just go and find it here, which is really easy. So let's say Tech News, AI Tech News. So it will search on Google News, Reddit, Hacker News. Let's go with Google News for here. Save my source. Let's add a few more sources, okay? As you can see, you can have the filter for the last 7 days, or it will go through the last 24 hours, all the articles posted in this time duration. And if you want to exclude some keywords, you can do that as well here. So you're getting only the relevant articles for your video. So once you have your sources added, the next thing we need to do is go and create a video, and it's really simple. Okay, so there are 3 ways. These are the fresh posts that we have added in our sources, or we can just go and use an URL, for example. Let's say this is the link. We can add the link here, or you can just use custom text. So let's see fresh post. Okay, I think it's going to take some time before they show up in the sources. Okay, Google News, it's ready. Okay, so we can see which articles that are the one that looks really good that we can use is AI replacing tech workers. Okay, so it takes some time to get populated, but once it's populated, you can go and you'll find all of them here. Okay, so here I want to use this article, select it, and as shown, you can also use URL. You can add an URL here, or you can use custom text. Just place your script, and that's all. So why I'm going to use this? Because this app is all about finding the fresh sources, the articles that are going viral to use. So this is the article I'm going to use first, and I want it to be, let's say, 45-second video. And these are the styles we have. What kind of script we want to use, what this means for you, or breaking update. Let's say what this means for you. Call to action is, I want to increase my engagement, comment, and engagement. Click on next. And now here are script. We can regenerate it if you want. This is okay, pretty, I like the script. And if you want to edit it, you can go and just edit it as well. And now, what kind of images? I can use auto-generated AI images here, like clean, dynamic, minimal, or I can use stock images, or I can even upload my own media, or I can use a combination of all of these. So let's go and create some AI images for this. Okay, so the images have been generated and they look really great. So what I can do, I can also go and look for stock images here. And if I want to select any stock images, I can do that as well. So maximum I can select 6 images. And if I don't want to select any of the images here, let's say I don't want to use this and this, I can just go and select any other images from here. Okay, and if you can also add your own image, you can upload any image you want. And next is background music. We have all different kind of moods for your videos. We can select any mesmerizing music that you want, or you can even upload your own music. Next is you can clone your voice. You have to just upload 15 seconds of your voice and it will clone your voice so you can create videos in your own voice. Language. We have all these languages if you want to convert your script into that language. Gender, male, female. Let's use her only. You can preview the voice here. Next, we have dozens of trending captions that will make your videos highly professional. Let's say I want to use this. And here, if you want to make changes to your captions, you can do that as well. If you want to make it green, you can do that. You can do whatever you want. You can change your font, you can change the position, and after that, I'm going to give it center. Click on Generate Final Video, and your video will be added here in some time. And you can also go and generate the hooks and SEO content that you can use to post this on various social media, like on Shorts, Reels, and everywhere. So these are the titles that you can use. These are the hashtags and tags that you can use, okay? So that is really powerful. And while this is working on creating your video, you can just go and create more videos for yourself, okay? It's just going to take 5 minutes for one video. So let's say I want to create another video, go there, select it, just use a different kind of script, like maybe breaking update, call to action, maybe save and share, click on next, and you can go and create another video at the same time. And the great thing about Virofeed is for every project, you can define your branding, your presenter, your voice, and all your videos will use the same presenter, same voice, and same branding. So you don't have to do it. Keep doing it for each video again and again, okay? Next, let me show you what happens once the video is ready, okay? Maybe let me go and use a different project. You can go and edit that video in Editor. Okay, so here, you can fully customize and edit your video. If you want more control, more custom options, you can do that here. Let's say you want to increase the size of the avatar, you can select it and just increase its size. If you want to change the scenes, you can do that. You can change the position. You can add any filters. Okay? Now, if you want to change the background, if there is one, you can do that as well. And if you want to, let's say, change your caption style, you can change the captions here. Again, you can add more elements into the canvas. You can go and change their position, okay? You can maybe edit the avatar also. You can generate image and add them here, or generate video. You can add more custom sound effects. Okay, so it's really powerful. And once you're satisfied, you can just go and export your video. You can use the high quality, standard quality, depending on your plan. You can start the export. And once it's done, you can check it out. So meanwhile, let me see if our earlier video is created, and if it's not, then I'm just going to add the video at the end of this demo. It's going to take some time, okay? Okay, so this version gives you the core system to create trend-based short videos using keywords, URLs, RSS feeds Google News, and you don't need to do anything at all. You don't need to worry about the scripts. You don't need to worry about the videos, images, captions, music, voiceovers, anything at all. You can just stop guessing and stop jumping between the tools and start posting from today. So make sure to go and grab your copy today, and I will see you inside.
AI could make you think twice about a tech career. That might actually hurt your wallet. Here's why it matters. Fewer people building the apps, websites, and systems you use daily means companies struggle to find talent. Result: slower innovation, fewer new products, higher prices for everything you buy. Think about your morning routine. Banking app, grocery delivery, streaming service, all powered by human talent. If that talent disappears, those services suffer, and the economy takes a hit. That affects your job, your savings, your future. So what should you do? Don't let the hype scare you off. Tech jobs are still about solving problems and creating value. AI is just a tool. It can't replace your creativity or ambition. Want to stay ahead? Follow along. I'll show you how to use AI to your advantage, not let it push you away.